How to add a video background on your Google site website. So let's say we have this banner here, and instead of this static image, we want to add a moving video. So if you go in the image section here, and if we click on upload, you can see it's not going to let you upload any video. So let's see how we can fix that. So let me just cancel this from here, and we need to convert our video to a moving GIF. So here is the video that I have just downloaded from internet, and I want to use this as the background of my website. So I'll take this and go to a website called EasyGIF or any video to GIF converter. Let's open this one, and I'm just going to use video to GIF, and from here I'm just going to choose my video file and then click on upload video. It's going to take a few seconds depending upon your video size. Alright, so now our video is uploaded. We can convert it to any format. We need a movable GIF, so we will select this, and we can set the start time and the end time. So I'm just going to use maybe start time from 6 seconds and the end time maybe to 13 to 12 seconds. And then we will keep the original size and frame rate as it is. And then we go to convert to GIF. So it's going to again take some time to convert our video depending upon the size. So let's wait for it. All right, so it's already done. So here is our GIF file. We can go ahead and download this. And once the download is done, all right, now let's come back here, and for our banner, we will choose image again and select upload. Here is our image file that we have just converted. Let's upload this. So now you can see we have a video in the background of our header. So this is how you can add a background video in Google site. If you need any professional help regarding your Google sites, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.